Stop letting your stress sleep with you. It is ruining your skin and stealing your rest. Tonight, we are wiping the day away in exactly 5 minutes. No expensive serums, just nature's method to hit the reset button on your nervous system. I'm Dr. Dave. I help people heal their bodies from the inside out using simple, natural remedies. And right now, we are going to do a ritual that lowers cortisol levels while it treats your skin. You know that tight, sandy feeling on your face after a 10-hour day? That's cortisol. It breaks down collagen and traps toxins, making you look older and feel more tired than you actually are. The standard face wash strips that barrier. We want to nourish it. Here is the 3-step Trinity ritual. Step 1 is the oil cleanse. Forget harsh foaming soaps. Take a teaspoon of almond oil, packed with vitamin E, and massage it into your skin for 1 full minute. Spend extra time on your jaw and temples. This isn't just cleaning dirt, it's physically telling your facial muscles to unclench. Okay, the grime is gone, but do not rinse yet. Step 2 is the magic key for de-stressing. Don't skip this. Step 2, the steam. Soak a washcloth in hot water, wring it out, and lay it over your face. Take 3 deep breaths in through your nose. The heat opens your pores, and the scent, maybe add a drop of lavender if you have it, signals your brain that the workday is over. Once the cloth cools, wipe away the oil. Step 3, seal it with a tiny bit of shea butter or rosehip oil. Lock that moisture in. Look at your skin. It's softer, the redness is calm, and I bet your shoulders dropped 2 inches just doing that. Do this for 3 nights and you will literally see the stress leave your face. If you try this tonight, drop a glow in the comments below. I want to know if you prefer doing this at night or in the morning. Now, this ritual is powerful, but I have to be honest with you. You can't out-cream a bad diet. If you're fueling your body with processed sugar and inflammation, no amount of lavender oil will give you that permanent glow. That is exactly why I created my clean eating blueprint. It takes the guesswork out of nutrition so your skin can heal from the inside out. It's packed with anti-inflammatory recipes that taste amazing and stop stress at the source. Click the link in the description to grab your copy. Let's heal your skin and let's heal your body. I'll see you there.